Is the Roblox Avatar Shop throwing you curveballs with that annoying something went wrong message? Don't worry, we're diving into some quick fixes to get your avatar looking sharp. First, let's try the simplest solution, a good old-fashioned refresh. Fully close the Roblox app or browser tab and then relaunch it. This will refresh your connection and clear any temporary glitches that might be causing the problem. If refreshing didn't do the trick, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Cached data can sometimes interfere with the Avatar Shop. You can usually find this option in your browser settings under Privacy or History. A shaky internet connection can definitely cause issues. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular data signal. Try running a speed test online to verify your connection is working properly. Roblox servers sometimes experience temporary outages. Head over to the Roblox server status page in your browser if there's a widespread issue. All you can do is wait it out until Roblox fixes the problem. If the problem persists, try accessing the Avatar Shop from a different web browser or even a different device, like a phone or tablet. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. And there you have it, some quick troubleshooting tips to resolve this something went wrong message in the Roblox Avatar Shop. Hopefully, one of these solutions got you back on track and ready to customize. Happy styling!